Welcome today again. How do you feel when you go out solo? What I've seen along my own experience, I've seen that going out solo, you will need to have that exercise body ready. You must be the type that always exercise because when you exercise, that means you are feeling good within yourself. You are feeling strong within yourself. When you exercise your body, it is now time for you to think about you going out solo. You want to go to that place alone. You want to travel alone. You want to go to a very far place that you would think that only you can't go. So going out solo is not a bad thing. I've seen and I've many friends that have traveled alone and more that even wish for them to travel with the cruise ship, to travel to a long place alone just by themselves. But that time I was like, how did you want to do this thing? How is that possible? But even though I'm that type of person that love going out solo, me traveling with a cruise ship, I was now wondering how would that be? Only me in that very big ship, only me in that very wide environment, and there are millions of people. And again, going out solo, you once in a while you'll be feeling like I should have my girlfriend beside me, I should have my wife beside me. But as I've seen that going out solo is not bad. Even though you go alone there, you won't remain alone in that place where you meet yourself. You won't remain alone because you meet people. That is, if you are the open type, if you are the open guy, open-minded type, it won't be a problem for you. So, like that, you have to learn how to be open-minded. Don't be like those people that don't love hearing some opinion or hearing truth. So, you must be an open-minded person before you think of traveling alone, going out solo. And again, let me come back to having the exercise body, because when you have the exercise body, because you don't know who may want to come against you, who may want to threaten you in one way because they see that you are alone. In case if those other people, if the person that come and attack you or try to bring you down in one way is with a group, so like that you may be able to protect yourself in one way, or even though you can't protect yourself, you can run away. You have the strength to run away from that environment. So make sure you are energized. Meditate also, because when you meditate, you are healing your inner self. Because when you meditate, it means that now you can now feel calm. You can now be still. When you are in a rough moment, when the whole place is going upside down, you remain still. You control yourself very well. You have that self-control. So, hope everything is going on well, family. So, going out solo, you will meet many people. When you go out solo, that is the time that people will be approaching you. That is when people will be more open to you again. Because when they see that you are alone, so they want to come and feel that they can also come together with you. Because in case if you meet another person again that is alone, who is going out solo, or a person went out alone, you guys come together. And women also, if women go out solo most of the time, and especially if they are single, they will have the more probability of getting that mate, of getting that man that they are looking for in their life. Because men are more willingly to approach a lady when they come across a lady that is alone and the lady is their type or is attractive to them. Men are willingly to go and approach those kind of ladies, not the ladies that are attached with many people, and they are in group. But I'm not saying that men don't approach group group of ladies, because it depends on the kind of men, on the kind of mind that's outside there. The different kind of courageous men outside there. There's some that are shy also. So when you meet a shy person, and even though the person is shy, because shyness is not a bad thing. It's what people are. Because when you are shy, it doesn't mean that you are now useless. You are shy because maybe because you haven't come into that kind of situation, you haven't approached openly in the public before. So that is when the shyness comes in a man. Okay, I just want to just say this short video. We speak later. Being free of jacking off to pornographic videos is a gift. Peace.